setting up our Arctis 3 gaming headset. First, let's take a look at what comes in the box. The Arctis 3 comes with one main headset cable, one dual 3.5mm extension cable, and one 4-pole 3.5mm adapter. To set up your Arctis 3 for PC, you'll need the main headset cable and the dual 3.5mm extension cable. First, you'll plug your main headset cable into your headset. Then, you'll connect your dual 3.5mm extension cable to your headset cable and into your PC. If you would like to connect your headset to your mobile phone, your Xbox, or PlayStation, simply use the 4-pole 3.5mm extension cable. To mute your mic, simply press the button. If the mute button is out, it is muted. To change your volume, scroll the dial on the left ear cup to adjust. If you would like to see more tutorials on the Arctis headset series, please visit support.steelseries.com.
PlayStation.
What's up guys, Adam here. Now most gamers use a gaming headset when they play, but you also need a place to store it when you're not. Now you could go with a banana stand like the one to my left, or you could go with Corsair's brand new ST100 RGB premium gaming headset stand. ST100 RGB will not only keep your headphones safe and secure, but will also look great while doing it, blending a mix of premium materials, RGB lighting, and new technologies like nothing you've seen before. This stand was built to last, featuring a durable aluminum construction with a black anodized finish. Underneath the base of the ST100 is a non-slip rubberized material that will provide stability and protection for your desk. Now that we've covered the premium materials, let's talk about all the technology that we've packed into this thing. On the side of the base, you'll find a built-in 3.5mm analog input, which enables full-range stereo or 7.1 surround sound. This means the ST100 can transform any stereo headset audio into a virtualized 7.1 surround sound for an immersive, multi-channel audio experience. And with Q, you can select from a carefully crafted list of EQ presets or customize your own. The ST100 also has two USB 3.1 ports, which provide improved charging and faster data speeds for your headset, phone, or any other USB devices. And as expected, we've included 9 zones of dynamic RGB lighting. You can use Q software to create unique RGB lighting effects or to sync with all of your other Corsair devices. And there you have it. Why settle for an ordinary headset stand? The Corsair ST100 RGB is the finishing touch you need for your battle station. To find out more information, head on over to corsair.com/ST100.